Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a swing at these Texas Lotteria scratch off tickets. They just came out this week, so brand new ticket from the Texas Lottery. This is game number 2327. All right, so here we go. Watch me go down in flames. These are all sequential. You look 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39. I tend to buy them in fives because I know that the overall odds of winning are 1 in 4 more or less. It doesn't mean that every 1 in 4 is gonna be a winner, but those are the odds. So if I buy at least 4 to 5, I can maybe guarantee myself something. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. My misery is your enjoyment. Here we go. The fire. The spear. All right, here we go. Get a chance. The top prize is $50,000. Not bad for a $3 ticket. The cactus. All right, here we go. It's 3. Not bad so far. The strawberry. Ain't got no strawberries. Cowboy hat. All right. Here's a Lone Star. No Lone Star. The Mockingbird. I got a Mockingbird right here. The lizard. No lizard. The wheel. Nope. The horse. Nope. The saddle. Nope. The jackrabbit. Ooh, got one here. The corn. Ooh, it's getting interesting. Could I have hit 20 bucks? I need the Macarenas to hit $20, or El Molcajete, for you guys, you say it some way, for $50. Let's see what I'm gonna get. And I go down in flames with the moonshine and the moonrise. I ain't got no moonrise. Well, that's a dud. There's one. Rip this one off. Here we go again. The cowboy. Right here. The spur. No spur. The spear. Nope. The oil rig. Oil rig is up here. Cowboy hat. Nope. The rattlesnake. I think I saw that one. Right here. The corn. The boar. Right here. The horse. Got another one here. The sunset. Doesn't look like it. The fire. Oh, the sunset is right here. No fire. The saddle. I think I saw that one up here. Okay, so I'm looking for the hen, the horseshoe, or the piñata. Those are my only ways out. All right, here we go. The newspaper. And the Lone Star, of course. Go down in flames. There you go. 2 for 2. At least I'm consistent. Here we go, number 3. The Lone Star. That's 1. Cowboy hat. Nope. The Mockingbird. Right there. The pecan tree. Ooh. I'm one step closer to 50,000. Yeah, right. The cherries. up here. The Moonrise. Nope. Rattlesnake. Right there. The Horse. Nope. What is that? It says a Roadrunner, but I don't see it as far as it looking like the way it's supposed to. I guess when I see it in color, I don't see it. I honestly don't see it. The Guitar. Nope. I've seen the Spear up here. Ooh, I'm one step closer to 50. The Sunset. The Saddle. Nope. And the Maracas. Nada. Damn it. Newspaper was one. At least four. It would have been. Well, yeah, it would have been $4. Two with a horseshoe. That's about it. All right. True to form. There's another one. All right. This is my fourth one. Statistically, I should win on this one, right? If I lost in the other three, if it's one in every 3.97, statistically. The corn. It's up here. The Bat. Where's the Borracho, the Sirena, El Caso, El Alacrán, El Diablo? Where are all these, the actual ones for the Lotteria? The wheel. Nope. Amarillo. Here we go. The Guitar. Nope. The Jack Rabbit. All right, we got two. The Shoes. Okay, we got two here. There's a chance for 10, and a chance for 20, and a chance for 3,000. What is that? Chili pepper. Right here. Oh, we got a chance for $10. The Blue Bonnet. Nope. The Maracas. Ooh, I'm two. Two for the 50. I need the molcajete, but you call it the what? The motor. Okay, that just... No, molcajete. The Cactus. What is that? The Rattlesnake. Yeah, these images need to get a little better. They look a little cheap. Rattlesnake. Nope. Ooh, fire. Hey, winner, chicken dinner. Here we go. 20 bucks. Not bad. I wonder if I can win again. The Lone Star. No, looks like we got a winner here. Winner, chicken dinner, 20 bucks. But we'll find out for sure. We'll do the app at the end just to make sure. Here we go. Last one. Lone Star. Okay. The Windmill. Nope. Cowboy, I just saw him right here. Ooh, I got two of the 50. Will today be my lucky day? Probably not. Jackrabbit. Nope. Cherries. Right there. Strawberries. Ooh, two in a row. The Horseshoe. Oh, wow. Three in a row. Now I just need the pecan tree for $300. The Shoes. I see shoes. No shoes. Newspaper. Nope. The Guitar. Ooh. Oh, things are getting a little interesting. I can either win $50,000 with the wheel, $300 with the pecan, and that's about it. Everywhere else I need at least two more, so The boar doesn't help me, but okay. Amarillo. Nope. The saddle. It's up here. Okay, I can win another $20 with the horse. Oh well. The piñata, of course. Let me see. Right here. So no winner win a chicken dinner. Alright, so now we're just gonna go ahead and scan these barcodes at the bottom. Just to make sure that we didn't miss anything. Probably not. Not a winner. Scan another barcode. Not a winner. Scan another barcode. Not a winner. Not a winner. Let me remove the. All right, 20 bucks. Not bad at all. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. This has been the Smoking Beard. See you guys later.